Hello, welcome to another video on my AJP PR7. This week I got something in the mail and it came from Italy, it came from Bologna. It's a box from Guglatech and I will show you what's in the box right now. One inline fuel filter. MANN, MAN filter. MWK44, made in Germany. One inline fuel filter. It's a big one. It's much bigger than the original one. I'll show you in a moment. What else? One filter, one sock, I would call it. This will go around the fuel pump inside the tank. I'll be putting that in place in a moment. We got a fuel hose. It's a long piece of hose, much longer than we need, but that's fine. And what else we got in the box here? Clamps, hose clamps. Great. The typical, traditional type, which you can use a screwdriver or a socket, and stickers and a manual. All right, that's what I will be putting in place right now. It's much bigger. The MAN filter MWK44 here is rated at 80 psi, 5 bars, with a filtering efficiency of 10 microns. It filters smaller particles out, and because it filters smaller particles, it needs to be bigger. It needs to have a larger surface to allow for the same flow rate. So I hope it actually improves things and not just be bigger, but also filter out smaller particles. It's a big difference. So for your interest, it says on here, OMG, Italy. OMG, Italy. I'm going to remove the ignition here. Yeah, that's better now. I got a bit more room. Should be getting it out here. I cannot pull it. I don't want to break it. So there we go. We're gonna put the sock around it and put it back in. Wasn't easy to get it out. hopefully getting it in will be a bit easier. There you go. That's the pump and the little strainer right there. There's a piece of metal wire in here. Metal wire is included, and it's nowhere in the manual, but I suppose it's meant to keep this sock in shape. So let's try to see what we can do with that. That doesn't make any sense. That'll be a bit short. I don't know what the deal is with the metal wire. Is it to so you have a choice? So you can close it with the metal wire or the tie wrap? I don't know. Maybe I should ask around. Now, Guglatech, what is the deal with the metal wire? How does this work? Please tell me. I don't know what to do with it. Should I put it in here to give it a little bit of shape? just a bit too long here. Let me just cut off another 5 millimeters. Alright, that worked. Because the filter is so big, I couldn't make a small angle in the hose to from the tank to the filter. So I took a longer piece of hose and went around the starter relay into the filter, and then to the injector. That's the same as it was before. So there we go. I hope that's going to solve all my fuel filtering problems. We'll never have to clean that little injector filter again.